Let's discuss how to elevate your daily style through proportions and fit, including materials, stiffness, and cut of a garment. It's not about following trends, it's about embracing your unique style. Hey, it's Elena, and let's get started. A closer look first. Let's talk about fit, because it's the foundation of a great outfit. The material, stiffness, and cut of a garment determine its overall look and how it complements your body. Here's some key things to consider. The fabric can make a world of difference. For instance, wool blazer exudes sophistication, while a polyester blazer may feel less luxurious. Always pay attention to the fabric when shopping for clothes. It can affect both comfort and style. How stiff or relaxed a fabric is can change the way a garment fits. Consider how the fabric drapes around your body. Flowy fabrics may give a more relaxed bohemian vibe, while structured materials can create a polished, tailored look. The cut of a garment can enhance or disguise certain features. For example, aligned skirts can create the illusion of an hourglass figure, while wide leg pants can add balance to broader shoulders. Experiment with different cuts to find what complements your body shape. The real secret now, let's dive into proportions. I personally battle with body image issues in the past, struggling with body dysmorphia and anorexia. I used to think I had to be super skinny to feel good enough, but I've learned that looking healthy and feeling confident is what truly matters. Understanding your body proportions is the real secret to elevating your outfit. And before we go any further, remember, it's okay to be different. Celebrate your uniqueness. Your body is your canvas and fashion is your art. Different clothes look different on various proportions, and that's what makes style diverse and exciting, right? When choosing clothes, think about how to accentuate your best features. If you have a smaller waist, consider belting dresses or tops to emphasize it. If you have long legs, high-waisted pants can elevate your silhouette. Play to your strength and own your style. Don't hesitate to invest in tailoring if needed. It's your secret weapon for achieving the perfect fit. A few adjustments can transform an average outfit into a stunning one that enhances your unique proportions. Ever tried to recreate someone's outfit and found it didn't quite work for you? Let me know in the comments. That's because your body type might be different from theirs, and that's totally okay. Celebrities have stylists who understand their body proportions and the way different fabrics drape on them. They invest to look good, but everyone can look stylish on any budget. So you don't have to be skinny to be stylish. Plus-size individuals rock stylish outfits, proving it's about understanding your proportions and the fit. Your closet should work for you, not the other way around. So when recreating an outfit, consider how the clothes fit that person. Dress to honor your body type, embrace your uniqueness, and make your style truly yours. Remember, your confidence is your best accessory, and well-fitted outfit only enhances it.